Welcome to a short video on FortiWeb validating uploaded files to prevent potential injections. Before we start with the configuration, allow me to describe the use case on how to protect our document management system. www.example.com is a document management system that allows businesses to upload, store, and share important files like contracts, reports, and legal documents. Users can upload various file types, such as PDFs, Word documents, images, and spreadsheets. However, the platform is vulnerable to file upload injection attacks, where an attacker could upload a file with malicious code to exploit system vulnerabilities. The website aims to implement file upload security at https://www.example.com/upload by limiting the accepted file types to .docs, .pdf, .jpg, and .xlsx, ensuring that files do not exceed 2 megabytes in size, and detecting any malicious scripts within the uploaded files. FortiWeb protects against injection attacks by restricting file uploads through type and size validation, scanning for viruses using an updated database, supporting ICAP virus scanning for flexible security, integrating with FortiSandbox to simulate file execution and detect threats before entry, and detecting web shells, malicious scripts used for unauthorized access. To configure file security, navigate to Web Protection, Input Validation, File Security, and click Create New to create a file security rule. In the Rules settings, specify the file types to allow or block. Enable host status and enter the document management system's domain in the host field. In the Request URL field, enter the URL where the rule applies, such as /upload.php, or use wildcards like /folder1/* or /folder1/*index htm to match multiple URLs. The URL must begin with a // symbol and should not include the host name. To limit file uploads by size, enter the maximum file size in kilobytes in the File Upload Limit field. Any allowed file exceeding this size will be rejected. To add allowed file types, click Create New, select the desired file types from the list on the left, and click the right-facing arrow to add them to the list of allowed file types. Click OK to apply the settings. The allowed file types should now appear under the rule settings. Click OK to save the rule. To apply your file security rule, go to the File Security Policy tab and click Create New. Set the desired action, such as alert and deny. Click Create New. Select the rule you configured and click OK to save. When a file violates the rule, the selected action, alert and deny, will be enforced. To configure the built-in virus scan configuration, select your newly created file policy, click Edit, and enable the antivirus scan option before clicking OK to save. Then, navigate to System Config FortiGuard and make sure the FortiWeb Firewall database is updated to display the antivirus version and FortiWeb virus database settings. Select Regular or Extended Virus Database. To use the ICAP virus scan, navigate to System, Config, Feature Visibility, and enable ICAP Server. Click Apply to save changes. Navigate to the ICAP Server section and enter the server IP or domain, enter the service name, and enable transmission encryption. Click Test ICAP. Once successfully connected to ICAP Server, click Apply. Return to Web Protection, Input Validation, File Security to edit the security policy to enable Send File to ICAP Server feature. Click OK to continue. To enable sending files to FortiSandbox scan, navigate to System, Config FortiSandbox, and select the FortiSandbox type. In this demo, we are using the FortiWeb Cloud Sandbox. Click Apply to save and continue. Navigate back to Web Protection, Input Validation, File Security, and edit the file policy. Enable Send Files to FortiSandbox. Click OK to continue. To configure the web shell detection, navigate to Web Protection, Input Validation, Web Shell Detection. Create a new web shell detection policy and select the action and severity. Click OK to continue. To include or exclude specific scripts, select the web shell policy you created, click Edit, and choose a web shell list under the desired category. Enable or disable the scripts as needed. Then click OK to apply the changes. To verify that an illegal file is blocked, run a curl command and check the results. Refresh the page, review the logs, and look for error messages indicating that the file was blocked due to an illegal file size or type. These results can be viewed in both the web UI and the command line interface. Thank you for watching.